Hello dear friends, welcome my channels. Today's discussions differential equations. So friends, I have already written the formula 1 by dx is equal to integration x dx, 1 by d minus ax is equal to e to the power ax into e to the power minus ax dx, and 1 by fd e to the power ax, 1 by fd e to the power ax when fa does not equals to 0, and fd is equal to into e to the power x x into f dash a e to the power ax, and fa is equal to 0 and f dash does not equals to 0. So friends, this formula is very important formula. This formula is very important. How is it come? Because 1 by d minus a, 1 minus d minus a x is equal to y, and dy, try to understand the formula. Dy by dx minus ay is equal to x, and integrating factor is y into e to the power ax is equal to e to the power minus ax is equal to integration x into e to the power minus ax dx, and y into e to the power ax into x into e to the power minus ax dx. Question is that dy by dx is equal to 2 into 1 plus y root over y. So dy by dx is equal to 2 into 1 plus y root over y, and it can be written this way: dy divided by 2 into 1 plus y root over y into dx, and integration, I will give integration both sides. So taking let root y is equal to t, and that implies 1 by 2 root y dy is equal to dt, and we can write this way that dt divided by 1 plus t square is equal to x plus c, and tan inverse t is equal to x plus c. Now you will see the condition. Y is equal to, when y is equal to 0, then it is 0 boundary condition. Y pi by 2 is equal to 1. So I just putting the value when x is equal to pi by 2, y is equal to 1. So I will just putting the value of the tan inverse t. Tan inverse t is equal to root over y, and the value is, it becomes pi by 4 plus equals to x. Pi by 4 equals to x plus c. Pi by 4 equals to x plus c. It can be written this way: n pi plus pi by 4 equals to x plus c, and here x is equal to pi by 2. So I have to putting this value pi by 2. So c value is equal to n pi minus pi by 4, n pi minus pi by 4 when x equals to 0 and c equals to y equals to 0 when x is equal to 0, so y is equal to 0. So whatever I get c is equal to n pi. So the solution exists for 0 to 2 pi, friends. So my number option C is correct. Next problem is number 2. So whatever I get, x is equal to e to the power x and xd is equal to theta, and x square and d square is equal to, it can be written theta into theta minus 1, and 4 into, it can be written theta into theta minus 1 plus 2 into theta plus 1 by 4 is equal to e to the power x is equal to e to the power x. So root over x is equal to e to the power x by 2. So it should be e to the power minus x by 2. So whatever I get, again I will calculate. So I calculate this 4 into theta minus 1 in plus 8 theta plus 1 into 4 into e to the power minus, and okay, sorry, it is e to the power t, I write e to the power t by 2, e to the power minus t by 2. It can be written e to the power minus t by 2. So whatever I get the value is 4 theta square plus 4 theta plus 1 into y equals to 4 into e to the power minus t by 2. Very simple. Now I get 4 theta square means 4 m square plus 4m plus 1 equals to 0. So that implies 2m plus 1 whole square equals to 0. So m equals to minus half comma minus half. M equals to minus half comma minus half. So CF equals to C1 plus C2. Here you will see multiple roots. So multiple root is, that's why I can write it is t, C1 t e to the power minus t by 2. Now friends, I have to find out PI, particular integral. I will find out particular integral. Particular integral is 1 by 4 d square plus 4d plus 1 e to the power minus t by 2. And now if I will put the value half, then minus half, then this value will become 0. So I can write this way. Also 4 is multiplied in here, so 4 into t 1 by 8 d plus 4 into e to the power minus t by 2. Which formula, friends, I apply? You will see I apply this formula. This formula, friends, I will apply. This formula I will apply. Now again I am putting this value. This is also 0. So it can be 4 into t square, and I get 1 by 8 e to the power minus t by 2. Now friends, this value will become 1 by 2 t square e to the power minus t by 2, and e to the power minus t by 2 means 1 by 2 root x, and t square means log x whole square. Now friends, we will go to solve another problem. So my problem answer is, it is MCQ. Yeah, I get answer. What is my answer? I just write in here y is equal to c1 plus c2 t e to the power minus t by 2 plus log x whole square divided by log x whole square divided by 2 root over x. Now I will solve another problem, the initial value problems. This problem is very important. This problem you will see Abel's theorem use. Abel's theorem use. So x into d square y divided by dx square plus dy by dx plus xy equals to 0. Now friends, you can consider, I can write this way, y double dash plus 1 by x y plus y dash plus y equals to 0. So what is my px? If I consider this is the equation as y double dash plus px y dash plus qx is equal to 0. So my px value is 1 by x, and my Wronskian is equal to Wronskian y1 and y2 is equal to, it can be written c minus p dx, and it can be written e to the power p dx, c into e to the power minus p dx, and so it is c by x. So friends, our condition is 0 condition. So whatever we get no solution. It is infinity when x is equal to 0. So whatever we see, the value is no solutions. Next, we will solve another problem. Pnx denote the Legendre polynomial. Pnx denote the Legendre polynomial of degree n. So if fx is equal to x and 1 and minus 1 to 0 and 0 to 1, so fx is equal to a0 p0x, a1 p1x, a2 p2x up to infinity. Then a0 is equal to minus 1 by 4, a1 is equal to minus half, c, d, this is the value I have to find out. So friends, Legendre polynomial, how can I write? I can write fx is equal to a0 p0 0x plus a1 p1x up to plus dot 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 up to infinity. It can be written this way: summation r equals to 0 to infinity ar pr x. Now ar equals to r plus half and minus 1 to 1 fx into prx. This is the formula, friends. We know this formula, prx dx. Now I just changing the order, r plus half minus 1 to 0 fx prx dx plus r plus half 0 to 1 fx p rx dx. So friends, this portion is 0. This portion is 0. So whatever we get, I get this value r plus half into minus 1 to 0 x into dx. Why this value is x into dx? Because this is the value if fx is equal to x and 1. X into p rx dx. Now whatever you see, a0 is equal to half into minus 1 to 0 x dx as p0x is equal to 1. p0x is equal to 1. So whatever I get the value is minus 1 by 4. And a1 is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 to 0 x square dx as p0x is equal to 1 and p1x is equal to 3 by 2x, Legendre polynomial formula. So whatever I get this value is 1 by 2. So my answer should be B. My answer should be B. Now we start the next problem, the based on Bessel's functions. If Jnx and Ynx denote the Bessel's functions of order n of the first and second kind, then the general solutions of the differential equations I have to find out. So friends, Bessel's equations. What is the Bessel's equations, friends? It is the remember, you have to remember this formula, that is x square d square y divided by dx square plus x into dy by dx dx plus x square minus n square y equals to 0. Then when n equals to 1, then we get the value is x square d square y divided by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus x square minus 1 into y equals to 0. So friends, whose two solutions are j1x and j2x. So j1x and 1yx as n equals to 1. So the equation what is my given equation? My given equation is x square d square y divided by dx square minus dy by dx plus xy. This is my equation. Equals to 0. So has two solution x into j1x and x into y1x. So friends, my answer should be number A. Number A is my correct answer. So friends, I shall go to the next problem. Next problem is very beautiful problem, friends. Problem is 5 plus 2x Cauchy-Euler equations. Cauchy-Euler equation. So how can I solve this, friends? 5 plus 2x is equal to, I can write 5 plus 2x is equal to, I can write theta. I can write, sorry, not theta, it is e to the power t. E to the power t as the homogeneous equations, friends. That's why I am doing this kind of job. So 2 into dx by dt is equal to e to the power t, and dy by dx is equal to whatever I get dy by, I can write by the chain rule dy by dt and dt by dx, and it can be written this way, dy by dt, it can be written 2 by 5 plus 2x into dy by dt. This is the so I can write 5 plus 2x into dy by dx equals to 2 into dy by dt, and it can be written this way: 5 plus 2x into capital D is equal to theta, is equal to 2 theta. So my problem I can write this way, and similarly 5 plus 2x whole square into d square is equal to 2 into theta, 2 into theta into 2 means 4, it will become 4, and theta minus 1. This is the way I can write. Now how can I solve this problem, friends? 4 into theta minus theta into theta minus 1 into 6 into 2 theta plus 8 y equals to e to the power 2t. I can arrange this way, friends. Now I can write this kind of problem this way. I can write that theta square plus minus 4 theta plus 2 into 4, capital 4, multiply theta into theta, theta square, theta minus theta, and another factor is, it can be written this way: 12 plus 8, 12 theta plus 8, so 16 theta. 16 theta means 4 theta. And also I can write y equals to e to the power 2t. So friends, y is equal to, so it can be written this way: theta square minus 4 theta plus 2 y is equal to 1 by 4 e to the power 2t. Let's go to solve CF and PI. So CF is equal to Cauchy-Euler theorem, very simple. CF is equal to m square minus 4m plus 2 is equal to 0. So m equals to minus b minus 4 plus minus root over b square means 16 plus root over b square plus 4 into 8 plus 8. No, sorry, it is not plus 8, yeah, minus 8. B square minus 4ac. It can be written minus 8. Minus 8 divided by 2, and m can be written minus 2 plus minus root over 2. M can be written minus 2, and CF is equal to, so whatever I get, y is equal to, CF is equal to YC is equal to CA into e to the power 2 plus root 2t plus b into 2 minus e to the power 2 minus root 2t and plus, and pi is equal to pi. Now I have to find out pi. Pi is equal to theta square minus theta square minus 4 theta plus 2 into 4 into e to the power 2t. It can be written this way, pi, and 1 by, when I putting the value 2, so this value is 4 into 4 minus 8 minus 4 plus 2. So this value is 2 into e to the power 2t, because it is not coming 0. And the value is y is equal to, y can be written, so my answer is simple, a y is equal to a into e to the power 5 plus 2x whole to the power root 2 whole to the power 2 plus root 2 plus b into 5 plus 2x 2 minus root 2 minus 1 by 8 e to the power 2t means 5 plus 2x whole square. So it can be written 5 plus 2x whole square is equal to a into 5 plus 2x root 2 plus b into 5 plus 2x minus root 2 5 plus 2x whole square. This is my answer, friends. Now I will go another problem. I will go to solve another problem. Problem is very interesting. Frobenius method. Friends, this problem is coming GATE 2021. You can see this problem is coming GATE 2021. Suppose phi 1 and phi 2 are linearly independent solution of the differential equation, and 2x square plus y double dash plus minus x plus x square y dash plus x square minus 2y equals to 0, and phi 1 0 is equal to 0. Then the smallest positive integers such that x to the power n phi 2x phi 1x is equal to 0. So friends, the problem is very simple. Consider a linear differential equations of the second order fx y double dash and gx and y dash and rx y equals to 0, and if x is equal to 0 is a regular singular point. So friends, regular singular point is very important. How can I understand? If this function is, if this equation, you will see, if these equations can be written this way, y double dash plus px y dash plus q y equals to 0. So friends, you will see that px and qx, this two portion is analytic. If this portion is analytic, then x is equal to 0, the point is regular singular point, friends. Must remember. And now p is equal to limit x tends to 0, x into gx by fx is equal to finite. Means it can be written this way, p equals to limit x tends to 0 px, and q is equal to limit x tends to 0 capital qx. X square, so it is multiply with x, and x square it is multiply with qx is x square. If r1 and r2 are two roots of 1, then r1 minus r2 does not equals to 8, friends. Means it is not difference between r1 and r2, it is not integer. If it is the two roots of if it is r1 and r2 is two roots, then they are not and difference between the two roots is not integer, and then the solution will become, what is the become? X to the power r1 and c1 plus cr0 and y2x. This is the formula, friends. I use this formula to solve this problem, Frobenius problem. So let's start to solve this problem, friends. You will see that I write the formula at first. 2x square y double dash minus x plus x square y dash plus x square minus 2 equals to 0 y. So friends, whatever you see that I have to find out that it is a limit x tends to 0 x into x plus x square divided by 2x square, and it is a minus. So p is equal to this. P is equal to this value is, if xx cut, and this value is minus half, friends, and q is equal to limit x tends to 0 x square minus 2 divided by 2x square into x square, and this value will become minus 1, and x is equal to, so that friends, x is equal to 0 regular point. So friends, whatever are my formula, you can see that my formula is, this is my formula, r into r minus 1, r into r minus 1 pr plus q is equal to 0. So I can write r into r minus 1 pr plus q equals to 0. So friends, whatever I can write r square minus r, and p value is minus r by 2 minus 1 equals to 0. And it can be written 2r square minus 3r minus 2 equals to 0, and that implies 2r square minus 4r plus r minus 2 equals to 0. So r value is 2 and minus half, and if you see that 2 minus half is equal to 3 by 2 does not belongs to z. So I can apply this formula, Frobenius method. So friends, I can apply this formula, Frobenius method. So y1x phi x is equal to y1x, and it can be written x to the power minus half into c0 c1x up to infinity, and phi 1 and phi 2x can be written y2x into x square plus c0 plus a0 plus a1x up to infinity. So friends, this is my total two value of the phi 1 and phi 2. Now I have to find out limit x tends to 0 x to the power n phi 2x divided by phi 1x. So friends, whatever I get, I can see that I can write this way: x tends to 0, x to the power n into x square divided by x to the power half, and other part is c0, c1x, etc. up to infinity, and a0 plus a1x up to infinity. This is my total. So whatever I get limit x tends to 0, 0, x to the power n minus 2 minus half, and other parts is finite. Other part is c0 by a0. So how can I get this value is 0? This value equals to 0. So n minus 2 minus half should be greater than 0. So n greater than 3 by 2. 3 by 2, 1 minute, 2 minus half, 5 by 2. Sorry friends, it is not 5 by 2, it is whatever I minus half. So it is minus half is also multiply, so it is plus half. So small calculation mistake, x to the power minus half, and it will become plus half. So it is plus half minus 5 by 2. So friends, this is my answer, that n obviously greater than minus 5 by 2, means minus equals to minus 2.5. So the integer value should be minus 2. My answer in integer answer is minus 2. Least value they ask. Smallest value, smallest positive integer. Friends, they ask smallest positive integer. So n equals to 2. N equals to 2. N equals to 2. It can be plus. If I will changing the values, it is minus 2, it is plus 2, no problem. So it is, so this is the value is, so it is, the value is 2.5 means 2. So value is 3. 3 is my answer. Smallest value, smallest positive integer, here n equals to 3. Thanks for watching.